Okay children, welcome back to our class. Today we learn about additions, that is single digit additions. See all of you. So in previous class in UKG already you learned about additions, no? Just I am revising that method. 7 plus 3 and okay children, here I am writing some questions. See all of you, that is 7 plus 3, 4 plus 2 and 9 plus 4. So in UKG how you can write here, which number is there? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3. So total you can count these lines and write down the answer. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So answer is 10. This method also right, but you are getting to first class. So here you no need to draw any lines like that. Just you have to they given two numbers, no? In these two numbers, which one is big one, that you have to find out first. In 4 and 2, which number is big one? 4. This number should be, keep it in your mind. Keep it in your mind means just you have to remember with your mind. So here small number, which number? 2. So that 2 you have to open fingers. That means I already opened 2 fingers, no? So in mind which number is there? 4. So how many fingers I opened? 2. So in mind 4 is there. After 4 you have to count these 2 numbers. That is 4 after 5 and 6. So now answer is what? 6. Like this you have to do addition. Here also same. First you have to identify which number is big one. 9 and 4 is there. So 9 is the big one, no? So first 9 keep it in your mind. Big number should be keep it in your mind. Small number should be taken with your fingers. 9 keep it in mind. So small number what? 4. So take 4 fingers. So after in mind 9 is there, no? After number you have to count 10, 11, 12, 13. So answer is 13. Like that you have to do. It is a simple and single additions. Okay. Again I am writing 2 problems. See all of you. Okay. Again I am writing 8 plus 4 and 3 plus 4. Okay. If the big number is down or up, just you have to remember which number is big one. You have to find which one is big one. So here in 8 and 4, which one is big one? 8 is the big one. So keep it in mind. And 4 is small one. That means small always open with your fingers. So in mind which number is there? 8. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 12. Now coming to this one, 3 plus 4. So here 4 is the biggest one. That you have to keep it in your mind. So how many fingers we have to open? That is small number 3. So open 3 fingers. Now in mind which number is there? 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7. So these are the basic additions. Already you learned in your previous class. Just I am revising the additions. Now go through for subtractions. These are also single digit only. So subtractions. So the symbol of subtraction is minus. We called it as minus. Plus means additions. You know, no? So subtraction, again subtraction also I am taking single digit only. 7 minus 4, 3 minus 1, 6 minus 5. So see here children, first one, previous problems additions means we are adding, subtraction is nothing but we have to cut down the number. So here first you see the biggest only, in addition also we are seeing biggest one, and subtraction also you have to see for biggest one. What the given question, 7 minus 4, yes or no? So 7 minus 4, here which number is big one? 7 is the biggest one. So in previous class you written like this, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. So small number you have to cut these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? So remaining lines are the answer, that is 3. This method is also right, but coming to this one I will tell another method. 3 is the biggest one here, and 1 is the smallest one. So in previous problem we kept biggest number in the mind and smallest number in finger. So now for subtractions, smallest number is 1, no? Count after 1 up to 3. That means 1 after 2, 3. So how many fingers we opened? 2. So answer is 2, like that. Small number, which number is smaller? 1, count after up to the biggest number. See here, 6 minus 5. 6 is the biggest one and 5 is the smallest one. So 5 is the smallest one means you have to count after 5 up to 6. 5 after 6. So how many fingers we opened? Only 1. So answer is 1. Like that you have to do subtractions. So again I am writing 2 problems. See. Nothing, just you have to find which one is big one and which one is small one. Which one is small one means up to big one you have to read. So 9 minus 3 and 10 minus 4. Okay, see. 9 minus 3. So here 9 is the biggest one and 3 is the smallest one. So count after 3 up to 9. After 3 after, like that is you have to open your fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 only you have to count because they given 9 only, na? That's why we are counting up to 9. So how many fingers I opened? 6 fingers. So answer is 6. Next, 10 minus 4. So here 10 is the biggest one and 4 is the smallest one. So smallest number is 4, no? So you have to count 4 up to 10. After 4, 5, 6. After only you have to count. Don't add 4 here. I am saying 4 after. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many are you opened? 6. So answer is 6. Like that you have to do. So these are the additions and subtractions, basic additions and subtractions. In your first class also they have, just I am revising our basic additions and subtraction. So all of you practice at your home. Just you write any 2 numbers and add, or any 2 numbers and subtract, like that you have to practice at home. Okay children? Thank you.